Okay, so a quick video just to kind of show you an Android test to show you how fast about as you work on your computer. So first thing I do is I'm just going to go ahead and click on Android Studio 4.0 and open it up. And you can see it's opening now. Um, this is about as fast as it should open up for you. Maybe it might be a little bit slower, but it should not be taking forever. Now do a good test. Just do start a new Android project and just click Basic Activity. Click Next. And you can just keep this the same. It's just default stuff. As far as where you want to put it, we'll just put it into this desktop on my application. Put it some location. Doesn't really matter. Keep this selected as Oreo and just leave it all the same and just click Finish. Okay. And so now what it's going to do is it's going to basically create this basic activity project. And so let's just kind of first take a note about how long it takes to get this thing up. Should only take about maybe a minute or two. I'm going to run this real time because I want you to see exactly how long this thing takes. Okay, pretty much done about now. So it took about maybe a minute, a little over a minute to load up, which is that's pretty normal. If you're taking 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes, that's fine. If this thing on your computer is taking 5 minutes or sometimes 10 minutes or just hanging, then obviously your computer can't handle it. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say. My machine right now is a PC running Windows 10, has an i7 processor in it. I'm trying to think off the top of my head. I think it's about 16 gigs of RAM. And an SSD drive. So it runs pretty fast. Now, if you come up here, I'm going to run the emulator. You have a choice in Android. We'll be going through this later in the course, but you can either run it right through your Android phone, which a lot of times is what I do, just a little bit faster, or you can run this emulator, which will be a lot slower. But I just want to show you how fast the emulator can work on a machine that can pretty much handle it. So this is going to emulate a Pixel 2 XL phone, and I'm just going to click this little green arrow right here, and I'm going to run this application. It won't really do much of anything, it will just fire up the phone. So let's see how long that takes. Okay, and now it's done. It says install successfully. 3 seconds, 778 milliseconds. That's not quite true. Obviously, it was a lot longer than that. Just reading this little sign that's down here. But that gives you an idea. Now, that's pretty normal. Emulators take a little bit longer to run than if you just plug your phone into it. And again, the book shows you how to do both. We'll go through it. If you would have your phone plugged into your computer, or if I was to have my phone plugged into my computer and do this, it would be a lot faster than this because it wouldn't have to load this whole emulator. It could just use my phone. But some of us don't have that option, so this is the next best thing, which is the emulator. And I'll be using the emulator a lot in class to show you guys stuff, but the point of this video is that you need to actually do this test yourself. Install Android Studio on your machine, do exactly what I just did, and run this thing, okay? And if this is taking, again, 5-10 minutes to load this emulator up or anything like that, that's way too long. You're gonna have a hard time getting anything done, okay? Your computer is not fit for this. So I'm just kind of telling you that right now. All right, that's it with this video.